The A19 PRO GPS drone is a feature-rich quadcopter that combines professional-grade camera capabilities with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. This drone stands out with its powerful 4K professional camera, a brushless motor, and a unique remote control with a large built-in 4.5-inch screen. This integrated display offers a superior flying experience, eliminating the need for a separate smartphone and providing a streamlined, low-latency control interface. Key features and performance highlights: integrated large-screen remote control. A key differentiator of the A19 PRO is its 4.5-inch large-screen remote control. This built-in display supports direct screen transmission for more intuitive and low-latency control, eliminating the need to connect a mobile phone. This allows for a more focused and professional flying experience, with recording and photo storage handled directly by the remote. Advanced obstacle avoidance and GPS. Fly with confidence thanks to the drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance system. This feature can be activated in areas with many obstacles to help the drone avoid collisions. Combined with the GPS global positioning system, the A19 PRO offers superior stability and safety features like one-click return, lost contact return, and low battery return, ensuring your drone comes home safely. Powerful brushless motor and stable flight. The drone is equipped with a 1503 brushless motor, which provides superior performance, strong wind resistance, and high stability. This ensures a smoother, more stable flight and longer durability compared to drones with traditional brushed motors. The Optical Flow Hovering system, utilizing a bottom lens, further enhances stability, allowing for precise fixed-point hovering. High-definition camera and EIS. The A19 PRO features a 4K professional camera that is electrically adjustable up to 90 degrees via the transmitter, giving you the flexibility to capture stunning photos and videos from various angles. The drone also features EIS on the dual camera system, ensuring your footage is smooth and steady. With a frame rate of 20 frames per second and a 50x focal length, you can capture detailed shots with ease. Long-range connectivity and extended flight time. The drone is powered by a robust 7.4V 3000 mAh smart lithium battery, providing a long flight time of approximately 28 minutes. The remote control's 3.7V 800 mAh battery ensures you can fly for an extended period. With 5G Wi-Fi antenna signal transmission, you can expect a stable and clear connection for your FPV experience. User-friendly and intelligent functions. The A19 PRO is designed to be easy to fly. It features a map positioning function that allows you to observe the drone's location in real time on your phone, as well as a trajectory flight feature where the drone can follow a predetermined path. The drone's forearms carry colorful LED breathing lights, making nighttime flights even cooler. In summary, the A19 PRO GPS drone is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a professional-grade and feature-rich quadcopter. Its combination of a powerful 4K camera with EIS, a superior brushless motor, and an integrated large-screen remote control makes it a top contender in its class. With its long flight endurance, intelligent safety features, and portable design, the A19 PRO is a premium and highly accessible tool for aerial photography enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.